Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can add category in Airtable. Open your base in which you want to add category, then you have to create a new table. You can do that by pressing this arrow and by pressing add table, start from scratch, name it category, that is perfect, then press save and you can remove all of these additional fields like assignee status or whatever fields you're getting except the name field. You have to keep the name field, okay? Or if you have any field, you can just rename it to name field. Then you have to add the name for your categories. So I can add a category like football, cricket, baseball, and then here I'm gonna add hockey. So these are the four categories that I am adding. Now what we have to do is we have to go back to our projects table, our original table in which we want to add the category. Then we have to add a new field and we have to select this one that says link to another record, and here we have to select category. Okay, we have to select category and we have to uh, we can name it, it's optional, but all I have to do is to press create field button and it will create another field. Basically it will be linked to that field. So, and here you have to select name. Okay, you have to select name and you have to press add one field, and what it's gonna do is basically it has added this category option. Now for John, let's say John is a person and John, the category for John is football, so we can add a football. We can simply add the category. Wait a minute, we can add a category. Let's remove it, let it load. Basically it's loading, so once it's loaded it will display the categories from where we can select. Alright guys, as you can see, it displays all of these categories: football, cricket, baseball, and hockey. Now let's say that the category for John is football. We just select football and football is added next to John's name. And let's say Billy loves cricket, so just press this one and select cricket, so the category for Billy is cricket. Ali loves hockey, so press add and select hockey, and Moin loves baseball, so select baseball. So this way you can add a category to whatever thing you want. You can have your clients, your deals, your leads, your whatever you're managing. So this is how you can add a category and basically associate that thing with that category. This is optional. This name from category is optional. Basically you can remove it if you want, or you can simply hide it. You don't even have to remove it, you can just hide it and that will work. So this way you can add a category in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.